Welcome to our guide on placing orders using the Pay Now feature. This convenient method allows you to order directly from your mobile device using the digital menu, enhancing your dining experience with ease and efficiency. Start by scanning the QR code on your table. This will allow you to view the menu on your mobile device, making it easy to browse and select your desired items for a seamless ordering experience. To add items to your order, simply tap the Add button next to each menu item. Once you've made your selections, proceed by clicking the Place Order button to finalize your choices. After placing your order, review all selected items. When ready, click Pay Now to proceed. You'll be prompted to enter your email for the receipt and can add a tip by selecting a percentage. Please note the tip is optional. Choose from local payment methods available via Pay tabs, including Apple Pay. Once you've entered your payment details, click Pay Now to complete the transaction securely. After completing your payment, you can view your order details and have the option to leave a Google review. This feedback helps improve service and enhances future dining experiences. You will receive an order confirmation email, which serves as your receipt. Keep this for your records, ensuring you have a reference for your transaction and any future inquiries.